The agency symposium, I think, is kind of really needed at this point in time. Our industry is going through remarkable change at the moment, and it's a fantastic opportunity to get the industry leaders together.
I believe that the agency is very much at a tipping point and a very challenging times.
I think the agency landscape is really complex at the moment, and it's really busy, and sometimes that means you just have head down and you get through the next 24 hours. So having the opportunity to take the time out and have some quality conversations about the future is brilliant, because if we don't have sessions like this, then those types of conversations might not happen.
I think the seniority that's in the room, it's clearly the leaders across the industry, which has been fantastic. So when opinions were being sought today, you could really feel that there were the leaders in the room. The content that we were talking about today was terrific, and some really good, vibrant debate was had. And I think it means a lot to have the right kind of level of people in the room at one time.
I think it's a good opportunity. We don't get enough time to spend quality time with peers in what has been a pretty safe environment. We've had a couple of sessions today where we've been encouraged to talk openly, candidly, forget where we work and who we work for, and encourage debate. And I think that's an opportunity that we don't get to do that often.
I think it's very accessible. It's very realistic. It really sort of captures the challenges that we face today in the industry from a CEO, from an MD, from a GM perspective in terms of running businesses in the communications industry.
One of the differences with this conference versus some of the others that we attend is it's very much a C-level suite of people who come and attend, and I think what that means is you get people who are able to talk at a far higher level about more interesting things and probably try and change some of the more fundamental aspects of our business rather than talking around perhaps more of the peripheral issues that we do at other conferences.
I'm here because I think it's a really good opportunity to get the industry together to talk about some key issues, and so far we've done that really well. I think you've got a great lineup of speakers, and I think you've done really well to get all the agency groups represented in a senior capacity to do that, and so far the chats have been terrific.
It's great for us to hear more about what's going on in our agency partners' world, understanding their businesses, their challenges, and what are some of the solutions to that. So I've learned a lot from the speakers as well, which has been fantastic.
So the agency symposium has been really good so far, actually. I've only been here for the day. I missed yesterday evening. I heard amazing reports of it this morning. I think it's just good to get some time out of the office to think about what it is we do for a living and why we do it and how we can do it better. And the discussions today, whether formal or informal, have all been really, really interesting.
The agency symposium has been awesome. It's been a great event, really high caliber audience, and it's been really interesting topics and conversations.
I think the quality of the speakers has been fantastic. They were really well prepared, very highly credentialed. A couple of surprises in there, which a couple of guys sort of from left to centre, which has been fantastic to get people to think about things outside just our industry.
We've had a fantastic time. We've got good representation here, and really impressed with the turnout and the people attending. Really high level as all the industry heavy hitters, and it's been great spending some time with them.